Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create 3D pipe quickly in Solidworks. So let's start. So I'm in the part mode right now. So first thing that I will do is I will click on sketch, click on here and click on 3D sketch. Now once I reach there I will click on line and I will draw the line as I'm showing. Press escape key. Now notice that the line doesn't look good. So I will select the line and select the axis about which I want. So let's say I want it along z axis. Okay, great. I draw a line. Click on line again. I will select the line and I will draw along the xy line. Select this line and make it along y axis. Great. You can see it's perpendicular. Similarly, I will draw shape like this. I will not worry enough that I will make issues because I will use constraint to make it correct. Like this. Notice the line is it's going in different direction. So I will select this line and click on x direction. uh, I will select this point and move it in reverse direction. Now select this line, make it y, select this line, make it z, select this line, make it y. Now what I will do, I will give them some length. Let's say this is 200 mm, 200 mm, and this is also 200, 300 mm, let's say. You can choose any dimensions as per your requirements. And this one will be 400 mm and this one will be 200 mm. Now what I will do, I will select these two lines and click on fillet. How much fillet I want. Increase the value of fillet as per your requirement. In my case 50 mm is fine. Now I will apply this to other lines as well. Click OK and close it. Now I want the pipe thickness. So what I will do, I will go to the features, click on swept workspace, click on circular profile. Just if you are using older version of SolidWorks, then you might not able to see the circular profile. In that case, you have to create first a circular profile path and then use this line as a path. It will be cumbersome process. But if you guys want to learn, feel free to comment. Now increase the diameter. But a pipe has a hole. It doesn't have a hole. What I will do, I will click on thin feature and increase the thickness as per my requirements. Let's say 5 mm. One more thing that you can do is, you can see 5 mm. Let's say you want thickness in opposite direction. So you can control it as per your requirements. Now I will click OK. This is how it looks like. A simple pipe modeling design in a just matter of minutes. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.